Hey there, fellow gun enthusiasts. If you're like me, always on the hunt for that perfect blend of lightweight firepower and versatility, then buckle up, because today, we're diving into the world of 410 shotguns. These bad boys might not roar like a 12 gauge, but they pack a serious punch with way less kick, making them ideal for everything from plinking pests to standing your ground at home. Trust me, once you get your hands on one, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Stick around as we break down the top picks that'll have you rethinking your arsenal. And hey, if this gets your trigger finger itching, smash that like button, subscribe to Survival Gear Showcase, and hit the bell so you never miss our deep dives into gear that could save your skin. Let's kick things off with the basics. Why the 410 rules the roost for folks who want reliability without the shoulder bruise. It's lightweight, low recoil magic that shines for hunters tagging small game, sports shooters, honing their aim, or anyone prepping for home defense. Sure, it's not as beastly as bigger gauges, but that 410 slug can still outmuscle a 357 Magnum in muzzle energy. Talk about underrated. And with modern twists like tactical rails and polymer builds, these aren't your grandpa's scatterguns. They're versatile beasts, ready for the field or the nightstand. Now, let's get to the good stuff. The models that stand out. Rossi USA Tuffy. All right, picture this. You're out in the woods, need something super light and packable that won't weigh you down like a boat anchor. Enter the Rossi Tuffy, the ultimate utility gun that's basically the Swiss Army knife of 410. At just under 3 pounds, this break-action single barrel is a dream for quick hikes or stashing in your bug-out bag. The polymer receiver and stock keep it feather-light, and get this, you can twist off the front sling swivel to remove the forend, breaking it down even smaller for storage. No more fumbling with bulky gear when space is tight. But Rossi didn't stop at lightweight. They smartened it up with practical touches. That thumb hole stock? It's got built-in shell holders on both sides, snugging up to 8 2.5 or 3-inch shells right where you need them. Imagine you're in a pinch. Reloading on the fly, bam. Ammo at your fingertips. Available in colors like black, gray, OD green, or tan. It blends into whatever scenario you're in, from backyard pest control to survival treks. And at an MSRP of $187, it's a steal that won't break the bank. Ever wondered why so many survivalists swear by single shots? It's that simplicity, no jams, no fuss, just point and shoot. You'll take one out for squirrels, and the low recoil means follow-up shots if you need them are a breeze, even for smaller folks or newbies. Pair it with birdshot for close-range zaps, or slugs for a bit more reach, and you've got a do-it-all companion. Is this the one you'd grab for your next adventure? Solenarms SR-410. Now, if you're craving something a tad more exotic, how about a revolver that shoots shotgun shells? Yeah, you heard that right. The Solenarms SR-410 is like if a wheel gun and a scatter gun had a love child. And it's brilliant for concealed carry or tight spaces. This compact beast weighs in at 4.5 pounds with a 24-inch overall length, making it backpack-friendly or holster-ready with the optional leather belt setup. The latest version stretches the stock to a 13.25-inch length of pull and bumps the barrel to 12.2 inches for better handling and range without sacrificing portability. Loading is revolver simple. Unlock the 5-shot cylinder, swing it out left and down, stuff in those 2.5 or 3-inch shells, and you're good. Fire double action for quick blast or cock the hammer single action for precision. Don't let the 410 gauge fool you. Slugs from this thing deliver nearly double the muzzle energy of a 357 Magnum, perfect for stopping threats without over-penetration worries in home defense. Price near $600. What if you need a gun that hides in plain sight but roars when it counts? You'll imagine strapping this on for a trail walk. It's intuitive, points naturally, and that compact design means no snags. For sport shooting, it's a hoot at the range, teaching you trigger discipline with a shotgun twist. At close quarters, buckshot patterns tight, but slugs extend your effective distance. Isn't it wild how something so small can feel so capable? Henry X Model 410. Shifting gears to lever actions, the Henry X Model 410 is a rugged workhorse that screams multi-tool versatility. Built on a carbon steel 4570 receiver with a matte blue finish, this thing's tough as nails, tipping the scales at 7 pounds 8 ounces. Unloaded, solid enough to soak up recoil, but not a burden for all-day carry. The 19.8-inch smoothbore barrel handles 2.5-inch shells only, with interchangeable Invector-style chokes letting you swap from cylinder bore for spreads to modified for slugs. Henry kept the rifle roots alive. The receivers drilled and tapped for Picatinny or Weaver rails, so slap on a micro red dot for CQB, or a scope for longer shots. Fiber optic front sight shines for iron sight fans, and that grooved hammer spur takes extensions if optics block your view. Polymer stocks shrug off weather and dings no heartbreak like scratching walnut, and the foreend's got M-lock slots plus a Picatinny rail for lights, lasers, or bipods. Side-loading gate feeds 6 rounds fast, keeping you in the fight. Ever thought a shotgun could double as a slug gun for deer or a birdshot blaster for clays? In your experience, this setup excels in home defense drills, lever it smooth, and you're cycling shells like a cowboy. Compare it to pump actions. It's quieter, less intimidating for family training. For hunting, choke it right, and you've got patterns that hold at 20 yards. Why settle for one-trick ponies when this adapts to whatever the day throws at you? Price near $1,000. Taurus Judge Home Defender. Switching over to revolvers with a defensive edge, let's talk about the Taurus Judge Home Defender, a beast that's been stirring debate since its debut back in 2006. But the 2023 refresh? It's a game changer for anyone eyeing non-NFA options like the Mossberg Shockwave. This bad boy rocks a 13-inch rifled barrel, cylinder gap shields to keep your fingers safe, and a 5-shot cylinder hungry for 3-inch 410 shells or 45 Colt rounds. Ditch the iron sights. It's got a factory optics rail ready for your favorite red dot, turning it into a precision tool without extra hassle. Now, patterns with birdshot or buckshot? They spread quick, effective. Out to 5 to 10 yards, perfect for hallway clears or bumping off varmints up close. But here's where it shines. Pair that long barrel with 45 Colton optics, and groups tighten like a vise. You'll see standard Judges print 3-inch groups at 15 yards, but this Defender nails 1-inch holes at the same distance. That's serious reach for a revolver shotgun hybrid, making it versatile for plinking, pest patrol, or standing guard. Imagine you're fortifying your homestead. This thing's intuitive to wield, with the rifling spinning shots for stability without overcomplicating things. Compared to shorter barrel Judges, it's got better control and less muzzle flip, ideal for follow-ups in low light. For fun at the range, load up mixed ammo buckshot for patterns, Colts for punching paper, and feel that satisfying wheelgun click. At $730 MSRP, it's not cheap, but for a do-everything Defender that skips ATF paperwork, worth every penny. What scenario would you deploy this in, home bump in the night or trail companion? Henry Axe, 410 lever action. If the Judge is tactical, the Henry Axe is pure fun with a side of apocalypse-ready attitude. You know that itch for a gun that's equal parts novelty and nasty? This stockless lever action scratches it hard. Named for its distinctive axe-handle pistol grip that sets it apart from bird's head designs like the Mossbergs. It's basically a butter-smooth Henry repeater, minus the shoulder stock, packing 5 rounds of 410 in the tube with side gate loading for quick top-offs. Lightweight, maneuverable, it points like an extension of your arm, making it a blast for close-quarters drills or just burning through ammo at the range. Don't get me wrong, it's not your go-to for deer season. You'd look silly trying. But for home defense, absolutely. Swinging around corners without snagging, lever out shells quietly, and that 410 kick is tame enough for anyone in the family to handle. Picture a zombie flick scenario. Strapped to your thigh in a scabbard, blasting lead shot at shamblers up close. Yeah, it's got that vibe. Like a 44 mag big boy but in shotgun form. Unloaded, it's light enough to forget you're carrying, yet solid for control. Price near $1,000. In real talk, you'll run similar setups in low-light sims, and the intuitive design shines no pump noise to give you away. Just flick the lever and go. Load birdshot for spreads or slugs for punch, and it's adaptable. Compared to full-stock levers, this one's all about mobility over long-range precision. At the price, it's a splurge for the cool factor. But if you're building a fun gun collection or prepping for tight spaces, it's irresistible. Ever fantasized about a post-APOC sidearm that doubles as a scattergun? Kel-Tec KSG 410. For those who crave capacity and innovation, the Kel-Tec KSG 410 flips the script on traditional pumps. Born from demands for a softer shooting take on their 12-gauge KSG, this bullpup packs dual magazine tubes for insane ammo loads. Up to 14 plus 1 of 2.5-inch shells, or 10 plus 1 of 3-inchers. That's firepower flexibility on steroids. You can stuff one tube with birdshot for squirrels and the other with buckshot or slugs, flipping a selector lever to switch on the fly. No more reloading mid-action, just pump and adapt. At 5 pounds 1 ounce unloaded and 26.1 inches overall with an 18.5-inch barrel, it's compact enough for vehicle storage or home maneuvers, thanks to heavy polymer use. Fixed cylinder bore means no chokes, but patterns hold tight. 10 to 12 inches with birdshot at 7 yards, under 2 inches for buck. Ships with a fiber optic front sight and a carry handle, or swap it for the optional aluminum Picatinny rail and mount a micro red dot for faster acquisition. Think about defending your property with mixed loads. Ready pests pop up, select birdshot. Threat escalates, flip to slugs. You'll test bullpups like this, and the short length shines in confined spaces, reducing swing weight without sacrificing barrel length. Compared to single-tube pumps, the dual setup's a revelation for utility roles, from farm work to tactical setups. Starting at $495 for black polymer, it's affordable innovation. Isn't it cool how this turns a defensive tool into a multi-role monster? Rossi Brawler. Let's chat about the Rossi Brawler, a slick revival of their break-action pistols that's got that perfect mix of old-school charm and modern upgrades. This single-shot bad boy chambers both 410 shells and 45 Colt, with a 9-inch rifled barrel that's slab-sided for a clean look and better balance. At just 2 pounds 4.7 ounces, it's a lightweight champ that's easy to tote in the field or slip into a pack without feeling like you're lugging bricks. Rossi borrowed some smarts from their Tuffy line, slapping on a factory optics rail that's grooved with a serrated rear sight and a polymer front blade, so it's ready to rock irons out of the box, or mount a red dot for quicker aiming. The hand-filling rubber grip swiped from the Taurus Raging Hunter soaks up recoil like a champ, making it comfy even with hotter loads. Break it open, drop in a round, snap it shut, and you're set. No complex mechanics to fuss with. Picture this. You're on a casual hike. Spot a snake, or need to signal bam. 410 birdshot does the trick. Switch to 45 Colt for more punch at targets or small game. You'll plink with similar pistols, and that simplicity shines in survival scenarios where reliability trumps capacity. At $257.99 MSRP, it's budget-friendly fun that doesn't skimp on features. Compared to bulkier shotguns, this pistol's portability wins for EDC enthusiasts. Ever thought a handgun could handle shotgun duties without the bulk? Mossberg 500. Let's add a true bestseller that's earned its stripes with countless hunters and homeowners. The Mossberg 500 inches 410. This pump-action icon is a go-to for good reason. It's built like a tank, dead reliable, and won't empty your wallet. Typically sporting a 24-inch vent rib barrel with a 3-inch chamber, it holds 5 plus 1 rounds and weighs around 6 pounds with a synthetic or wood stock, making it light enough for all-day hunts but sturdy for home defense bumps. What makes it so popular? That legendary Mossberg action cycle's smooth as butter, even with dirty ammo, and the dual extractors ensure shells pop out without a hitch. Add in the ambidextrous safety on top, and it's user-friendly for lefties or righties alike. Patterns are tight with the fixed modified choke, zapping squirrels or clays at 20 to 30 yards no sweat. For youth models, they shorten the stock for smaller shooters, turning it into the perfect trainer without the intimidating recoil of bigger gauges. You'll see. These in action at ranges and fields load up birdshot for pests, buck for close protection, or slugs for a bit more reach, and it adapts like a chameleon. Compared to fancier unders, the 500's affordability, around $400, 500, and aftermarket parts galore make it a tinkerer's dream. It's one of those guns that just works, year after year, which is why it's a bestseller among beginners and vets. If you're starting a kid on shooting or need a farm gun, isn't this the no-brainer pick? Smith & Wesson Governor. Last but definitely not least, let's roll out the Smith & Wesson Governor, the triple-threat wheel gun that laughs at ammo restrictions and keeps you loaded no matter what you've got on hand. This 6-shot beast chambers 410 bore shells, 45 Colt, and 45 ACP with supplied moon clips, making it the ultimate grab-whatever's-in-the-safe revolver. At 29.6 ounces and a 2.75-inch barrel, it's compact enough for belt carry yet hefty enough to tame recoil across all three calibers. Scandium alloy frame, stainless cylinder, and that trademark S&W fit and finish scream durability without the wrist-breaking weight. Why do so many folks swear by it? Flexibility, pure and simple. Stuff it with 000 buck for hallway work. 3 pellets per pull, tight pattern under 10 yards. Drop in PDX-1 discs for a mix of buck and BBs, or go old school with 45 Colt Cowboy loads. Need cheap range time? Moonclip 45 ACP and blast away. The tritium front night sight glows in the dark, and the rear notch is deep enough for fast acquisition, perfect for low-light bumps or quick-draw drills. I've run the Governor in force-on-force scenarios. The grip fills the hand, the trigger breaks clean in DA, and swapping ammo types mid-string is as easy as speed-loading a wheel gun. Compared to the Judge, the Governor's lighter, carries an extra round, and handles 45 ACP for cheaper practice. It's a bestseller because it turns "what ammo do I have?" into "doesn't matter." Home defense, truck gun, or trail sidearm, doesn't this just solve every caliber headache you've ever had? Hey, that rounds out our expanded dive into the 410 world. From compact revolvers to pump-action staples, these guns prove small bore doesn't mean small impact. Whether you're chasing game, defending your turf, or just enjoying some range time, there's a 410 here that'll fit like a glove. Which one's calling your name? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Do you own one of these, or is there another fave we missed? If this fired you up, give it a like, subscribe to Survival Gear Showcase, and ring that bell for more gear breakdowns that keep you prepared and entertained. Catch you next time.